Welcome to the Provincial. This is a home located in the village of Chief, which is also considered Calava, Michigan. It was built originally in 1902 along the railroad, which has since been removed. But there's a lot of nice quiet property to the north and a depot house that's back there as well, which is part of the property if you want it. Let's go inside. The storefront originally might have been a community center. With high ceilings and a lot of space here. It was used originally, as a community center and more recently as a art gallery. It's zoned multi-purpose. It could be a wonderful large living room. There's a loft up above with sleeping couch up there, and it could be closed off into a bedroom if you wanted it to be. Looking out here is a screened-in porch. It overlooks the sauna, the guest studio or the outdoor studio, and the barn. Listen how quiet it is. Going back into the great room. Over here is a door that goes down to a large basement that has the furnace, hot water heater, well pump, updated electrical. There'll be pictures of it online. Into the main part of the house. This is the kitchen and dining room. Classic old windows are original to the house, leaded glass. This is southern yellow pine floors. The entryway, we'll come back to that. The bathroom, clawfoot tub with some storage. Into the master bedroom, which overlooks the barn and the guest studio or the outdoor studio. Has a nice large window that can open for airway. It fits a king-size bed and has a nice closet. Out here, next step will be, let's just show you, this is an airlock, an entry with storage for hats and gloves and coats and boots. Let's go to the barn. Right outside the door, come on, Louie. Right outside the side door, you got a nice little courtyard here, surrounded by tall pines, white pines, Michigan state tree. Nice privacy fence, creates a nice little private setting. Show you the sauna. While we're walking over here, looking back at the screened porch and the master bedroom's window. This is wood-burning sauna with 2 benches, a nice stove, wood-burning stove,